To log into Apporto, simply open a browser and enter the URL given to you by your administrator. A common format for the URL is the name of your university.apporto.com. Then you either enter your email and password, or if you have a single sign-on enabled instance, you would click on a button to take you to the login page. In this case, I don't have single sign-on, so I'm just going to enter my email address, password, and a brief captcha for security. And then hit the login button. When I'm logged in, I land on a page called the App Store. This is where I can see all of the desktops and applications that I have permission to. I can also check out any relevant announcements and access the user guide, support request form, and a little bit of information about Apporto, such as the version, cloud platform, and my storage quota. This is the amount of storage space that I have for all of my homework files. After that, all I need to do is hit Launch to start a desktop or app and get started working.